Okay, New York session live. My session time is done, but right as I was about to log off, saw this move on the H1 breaking up below previous week low, and now we're retracing back up to the breakout level and triggering that high. I just want to see some rejection at the top here. If I don't get that rejection, then I want to see a breakout of the low, and then I'll look for a move to continue this bearish trend. So session done, did not see anything at all. This week has been really slow. Could not find anything. There was some really nice price action here or price movement, but just did not set up. Had a pullback yesterday that did not really pull back cleanly. I wanted to see price come down and trigger that range, but instead it just broke out at wrong times for me. And so I just could not catch gold, and it's just been a real shame because I'm definitely bullish on gold. On the monthly, we have a bullish breakout bar that broke out of this range, inside bar range. Whenever gold does that, it wants to go on a bit of a run. So I'm really itching to get into gold, but I just can't find the right entry. Um, and so, yeah, could not find anything there. Did not see anything else on the indices. It's just been stuck in ranges here. This move last week kind of just ruined price action for me, so a little bit tricky to trade. Need to see that settle down a bit. And on USD pairs, I did not see anything except on USD CAD. In the Discord this week, in the swing channel, USD CAD had given me a signal about trend momentum. We have trend momentum on the weekly, and I did jot my thoughts on this one. Wanted to see price retrace, fake out the low, and then continue up, and possibly higher than that. This is a trend retracement setup on the weekly. USD CAD did not give me any setup here. It did pull back, but did not fake out a low, so I was not able to take this move. And now it's broken out, and when price breaks out, I am looking for a trend breakout setup. So trend breakout setup, I have two setups I'm looking for. I'm looking for either that initial breakout, and for me, I want to see a narrow breakout range, price consolidation, and then right before the breakout comes down, takes out that entire consolidation. This could be an aggressive entry, and the breakout entry would be above here. Did not have that price action, so I could not take this move. And so if I don't take this move for whatever reason, if I don't see it or it doesn't set up, then what I'm waiting for is price to pull back, fake out the low, and then take it back up to the high. And so USD CAD did do that, came down, faked out the low. Was looking for this move in London session, did not set up in London, and then was waiting for New York session. I don't trade the first hour of New York. There was news there as well, so could not take anything here. Was waiting for price to pull back again. It did pull back, and I'm kind of itching to get into this, but did not give me the entry today. So nothing on USD CAD, and I don't think I saw anything else anywhere else. CADJ, I think there was some sort of move here, but did not take anything. Swiss JPY, 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm not really sure about any of these CAD pairs as well. So the only one that to me is clear is this CAD Swiss move as well as GBP CAD, but I did have a look at this, could not find any entry on this one as well. So it's just one of those weeks that's a little bit frustrating, but you just can't lose your head on in weeks like this. Sometimes the setups will come fast and furious, and sometimes they won't. And this is one of those weeks that so far, still a couple of days. Um, well, we'll see what happens tomorrow and the rest of the week. I am down this week, um, first time in a while. So let's see if I can crawl back out. I took one trade on NZD USD yesterday, so only one trade this week so far, and quite possibly two if we can break out below here. I might take this one. If it breaks out, gives me continuation, then I'll go for CAD Swiss. Okay, There we go. Indicator lets me know that this is a valid entry, M15 trend reversal. And now I just want to see a continuation. So if price can continue pushing down below that low, looking for 10 seconds and 15-second closures on the timer here. If it does that, I'll look for that continuation back down to the low. Looks like we are breaking out. Nothing at all to the left here. Let me just set my alert here so I don't miss the entry. Just a little above that. See what's going on here. Maybe it's at all-time lows, I guess. Okay. So I always hate taking moves like this. I always prefer price to pull back, fake out a high, and then take it down. But let's see if it continues here. I just want to take a little bit, and that's it. I'll probably look for a breakout trend retracement tomorrow instead. If this continues where it is and it looks pretty good, then I'll look for a trend retracement tomorrow. But for now, just going to take a little scalp just right down to that previous H1 low, or at least this fake out level. Okay, waiting for the entry. Okay, looks like we're pushing on down. Let's see, where is this closure here? We're below, looking for that closes at 30 below, and that's continuation for me. Okay, continuation, taking that move, and let's see if that wants to go. Oops. Stop loss at the high and TP at the low. Should be just a little quick one, hopefully. And that's it. Setting that alarm alert right at the fake out level here, just in case it wants to double back at that point. But hopefully it does want to continue on down. Okay, there you go. Done with the trade. Just a little under 1.5 hour here. And yeah, that's it. So H1 trend retracement setup. Didn't reject the top, so I got in at the breakout below and went straight down. Well, actually, it pulled back a little bit, but then eventually got down. And that's it. So if CAD Swiss is moving, is USD CAD? Let's see. Okay, so this would be the entry. Not a nice one going right into the H4, but we are at the low of this range, so it does make sense to take this one. Don't want to manage this one overnight, so let's see if I can get a pullback tomorrow. In general, I wouldn't expect price to just shoot up to the high of that range, especially when we're off session right now. And so I'll see if I can get a pullback tomorrow. All right, so anyways, that's it. Quick one there, and that's it.